The hunt there is on for Punjabi actor and one of the vandals who involved in hoisting the Sikh religious flag on the rampart of Red Fort. Deep Sidhu has released a second video seeking more time to appear before the probe agency. He said that he has not done anything wrong and not running away from any investigation. This comes as a lookout notice has now been issued against him after he's booked for inciting violence at the Red Fort and creating vandalism. Delhi police has now revealed that Sidhu's phone was switched off on the intervening night of 26th and 27th of January and his last location as per mobile network was Haryana. On Wednesday, Deep Sidhu released another video defending the Red Fort flag hoisting, saying that it was an expression of their frustration, their protest, their anger against the centre's 3 new farm laws.
That I will join investigation. I need some time to bring out the truth, because whatever has been spread, it's a false information and it's misleading the public at large. So therefore, I need a couple of days to bring out the truth and then I will join investigation. I am requesting the investigation agency, since I have not done anything wrong, so why should I run away and why should I be scared? I'm not scared. I have done nothing wrong.
And speaking of Deep Sidhu, these are the 2 names that stand out on Republic Day violence. Deep Sidhu, of course, and a gangster turned activist, Lakha Sidana as well, who's been named. The union leaders are now blaming both of these men for provoking the youth to indulge in mindless violence on Republic Day.
A massive show of strength and a shock diversion from the original rules. A part of the Republic Day tractor rally turned violent and breached Delhi's Red Fort. The Umbrella Kisan Morcha accused a Punjabi actor and a splinter Labour farmer grouping for instigating the rampage.
लाल किले के भीतर जाके झंडा फहराना तिरंगे के अलावा दूसरा, उसके अंदर दीप सिद्धू ने बिल्कुल खुल के भूमिका अदा की। ये वो दीप सिद्धू हैं जो पिछले 4 महीने से किसान संगठनों के साथ लिपटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। किसान संगठनों ने कहा है कि इस व्यक्ति को बिल्कुल दूर रखा जाएगा क्योंकि इनके अलगाववादी।
36-year-old Deep Sidhu is seen cheering the hoisting of the Nishan Sahib, the Sikh religious flag, on a pole mast at the iconic 16th century fort. Deep Sidhu wears multiple hats, a film star in Punjab. His tryst with politics began when he helped Bollywood actor Sunny Deol in his Lok Sabha campaign in Gurdaspur.
इनकलाब है सर, ये revolution है. And if they are not going to understand the seriousness of this matter, trust me, it's going to be, it'll define the next political structure of this whole geopolitics of this entire country and South Asia.
Late last year, Sidhu jumped into the agitation over farm laws, but he ended up upsetting unions because of his style and speeches. Sidhu was barred from speaking from any of the main protest podiums. Farm unions find Sidhu to be one of the main culprits behind what all unfolded at the Red Fort on the Republic Day.
दीप सिद्धू ने जो किया है, हम उसकी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं और हमें लगता है वो सरकार का दलाल है। आज जो उसने किया वो अति निंदनीय है। हमारा लाल किले पे जाने का कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं था।
But Sidhu denied accusations.
Public sentiment ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ genuine sentiment ਨੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਗਈ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਹੁਣ। ਸੋ ਔਰ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਊਗਾ। ਉਸ ਵਹਿਣ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪ ਮਹਾਰੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸਿਓਂ ਲਾਲ ਕਿਲੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਧੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤਾਂ ਦੀਪ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਸੀ। ਸਿੰਬੋਲਿਕਲੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਦਾ ਝੰਡਾ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਤਿਰੰਗਾ ਦਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਝੂਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਥ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਝੂਲ ਰਹੇ।
Police sources say they are probing the role of this man, Lakha Sidana from Punjab's Bathinda district, an alleged gangster facing more than a dozen cases, including murder and attempted murder, now in activism. First jailed in 2004 and multiple times later. Sidana is also suspected of instigating the tractor rally violence. The probe goes on. For now though, the narrative of a prolonged peaceful protest stands dented. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.